If I could write a way to fly, I'd take this pen and climb the sky. If I could write a growing flower, this page would be a rosy bower. If I could write the stars and moon, I'd save them for a night in June. If only I could write a cloud, I'd laugh and chuckle right out loud. If I could write for us a song, I'd ask for you to sing along. If I could write the shining sun, this page in glory would be done. If I could write the rainbow's end, we'd have a treasure we could spend. If I could write a living dream, we'd dance on air in sunlit beams. If I could write a growing tree, the shade would envelop you and me. If I could write the end of time, I'd have enough to make this rhyme. And if I could write about true love, this page would shame the stars above.